I am aware of a free way to get 11 labs. You want to know how you can get 11 labs for free. Now that I've shown you how to do it, let's get to the point. Furthermore, I'll walk you through the process of deleting this error message for this strange activity that you will soon encounter right here. Let's get started with the instructions now. Okay, so our first destination is going to 11 labs. Right now, we would like to register as our initial action. When you're first signing up, visiting TempMail is the most important thing to do. The description will contain all of the links. In order to access all of these websites, be sure to take a peek down there. Alright, so you will see this screen and be provided with a temporary email account once you are in TempMail. All we need to do to sign up is just copy and paste that. Next, all we need to do is create a password. Next, all we want to do is click Sign Up. It will indicate that they have sent an email to our temporary mail address once we click Sign Up. We may simply return to the temporary mail and find it there. All you need to do is click on this email and select Verify Email. We will be allowed to log in after this is finished. Alright, so we're at Lab 11 now. We'll also note right once that there will be a 10,000 character limit. You will thus need to make a new account with temporary mail once this expires. This error is another issue that a lot of folks are having. Just make sure to download this free VPN app if you're doing this on a PC. To have this access on your phone, subscribe to my channel now and I will drop a new video shortly. Simply going to your Microsoft Edge browser's add-ons extension is a simple solution. I'll now access Microsoft Edge add-ons. To download this, all you need to do is type in TunnelBear VPN. To add an extension, just press the Get button. After installing your VPN, your extension will be available in your Extension tab. Click on it to activate it. Now let's go into our 11 Labs account and try our VPN. First, I will try to generate audio with the VPN off, and second, I will connect back to the VPN and generate audio if it works perfectly. You can see our 11 Labs account is working without any error messages.
Advertising mailings, hacking and attacking robots.
I really hope you liked the video. If it works, kindly let me know in the comments section below. If not, state so, and I will make a follow-up video in which I attempt to address your concerns.